Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting badge which is nothing but field service preventive maintenance. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce B2B solution architect credential certification. So if you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is track customer assets. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on object manager. So here you will find account, just click on account. So guys, now I'm just gonna click on page layouts over here, followed by account layout. So here in this account layout, if you scroll down, you will find related list on your left side. Just click on it. So once if you make a click over there, you will find this related list. So under this we are just gonna drag and drop these assets. So once if it is done, just click on this wrench icon so that you will get this. And now I'm just gonna click on status followed by up arrow just to move that status upwards. So once if it is done, click on OK, followed by save, followed by yes. So guys, now again I'm just gonna click on object manager. So here in quick find, let's search for asset. Just click on asset, followed by page layouts, followed by asset layout. So guys, here again we are just gonna click on related list, and now I'm just going to drag and drop this primary asset followed by related asset under related list. So once if it is done, click on save, followed by yes. And now let's go to our app launcher, and here let's copy this account name from our challenge and search for account and click on accounts. So guys, here I'm just gonna click on new, and we have copied our account name. Just paste it over here. So once if it is done, let's click on save. So our account has been created. So now again click on this app launcher and search for products. So once if you get the result, click on it, followed by new. Let's copy our product name as well and paste it over here, and check this active checkbox followed by save. And now we are gonna create asset. For that, let's copy our asset name. Again by clicking on app launcher, search for asset and click on the result, followed by new. So here just paste the asset name, and for product name we should search for solar panel. Give it from the result, and for account we are gonna provide remouse reality, and we should make status as obsolete. So once if it is done, click on save. So let's create one more asset. For that, again in app launcher I'm just gonna search for asset and click on the result, followed by new. Let's copy our asset name, which is given right over here, and paste it over here. So for account, let's give remouse reality. So once if it is done, let's make our status as installed, and now click on save. So guys, here you will find the tab which we have created with solar panel system 6000. Just click on it and click on solar panel system 6000. So here let's go to our related tab. So this is basically for product if we see right over here. So what we will do here is just copy the solar panel system 6000 and search it in global search. So now I'm just gonna click on this product and so sorry guys, it should be from account. Again paste it. So under asset you will find the solar panel system 6000. Just click on it and now let's go to our related tab so that you will find this primary asset over here. Just click on new and for relationship type make sure it is replacement, and for this asset let's give it as solar panel system 7000 and now click on save. So this is all about this project. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. So remaining 2 challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. And if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.